Hello, today I am going to present you the introduction of my course, which is Wearable and Ubiquitous Computing for Health. So this is the outline of the course. First, we will talk about wearable computing, then we will actually give example signals and possible healthcare applications, then we will talk about course content and grading. So first, start with definitions. What is a wearable computer? It is a portable and small computer that can be worn on the body, but smartphones, tablets, or PDAs do not count because they are designed for handheld use. So let's define ubiquitous. Merriam-Webster dictionary defines this word as existing or being everywhere at the same time, constantly encountered. Actually, it is a synonym of widespread, which actually wearable computing devices fits perfectly. These devices can be integrated to the clothes, worn as accessories, or attached to the body with electrodes like ECG, EEG, etc. So what are their advantages? They are mostly user-friendly. They can be used for collecting data from patients easily, and they are mostly unobtrusive. That means they can be used without disrupting the user. So wearable market actually growing every year and everywhere. So it is a substantial amount of growth. So that's why they are good candidates for health applications. The wearable devices you probably know are Fitbit, Apple Watch, and Xiaomi Smart Band. Actually, they come with mobile apps uh, where they visualize your data and provide some insights by processing your data. And actually, they motivate you for doing more sports and live a healthier life. Available health-related commercial applications are sleep quality monitoring, exercise tracking, instant stress measuring. They also estimate calorie burns and they continuously measure your blood pressure and they classify the activity types. So when we try to classify this wearable devices, there are upper body, head mounted, lower body, and wrist handheld devices. So upper body devices are in the chest region like ECG, electrodes, or chest bands. They can be given as examples. So head mounted like VR devices or audio headsets or EEG devices. They can be given as example to head mounted devices. Lower body devices are actually smart shoes, smart pants, uh, smart belts. They can be given as examples. Wristband devices are actually smart rings, smart watches, and smart bands. These are the wrist handheld devices.